Welcome to the fascinating world of modern transportation in China. What you're seeing here is an innovative approach to urban mobility. Trains mounted directly under bridges. These suspended rail systems are engineered to maximize urban space while seamlessly blending into cityscapes. This remarkable design helps reduce ground-level congestion and offers a quieter, eco-friendly solution for commuters. Designed with precision and powered by cutting-edge technology, these trains represent China's commitment to sustainable and efficient transportation.